Dear friends, now we are going to discuss Arithmetic Progression lesson. ಈ ಪಾಠದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕಲಿಯಲೇಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಅಂಕದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಾನು ಜೂನ್ 2020ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದಂಥ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ 2020ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದಂಥ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾದರಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಗಳಿಂದ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. The first question: in an arithmetic progression, if an is equal to 2n plus 1, then the common difference of the given progression is. This question is taken from the year June 2020. It's of 1 marks. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ನೀವು an is equal to 2n plus 1 ಎಂದು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. To find the first term of this nth term, substitute 1 in place of n. So we get an is equal to 2 into 1 plus 1. On simplification, 2 ones is 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So the first term a1 is equal to 3. To find out the second term, once again you write down an is equal to 2n plus 1. Substitute 2 in place of n. We get a2 is equal to 2 into 2 plus 1. So on simplification, 2 2s are 4 plus 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So the second term of the AP is 5. So to find out the common difference, D, we take the difference between the second term and the first term. That is, D is equal to A2 minus A1, that's equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So common difference D is 2. So ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರೀತಿನೂ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇದೇ ತರ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಶ್ರೇಣಿಯನ್ನ ಕಂಡಿಡಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, find the arithmetic progression. So they might ask. So ಆವಾಗ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Substitute 3 in place of n. So write down the nth term. an is equal to 2n plus 1. On substitution, a3 is equal to 2 into 3 plus 1. On simplification, 2 3s are 6 plus 1, that's equal to 7. So a3 is equal to 7. So like this it goes on. So for the fourth term you can substitute 4 in the place of n. So the AP is 3 5 7 etc. This is an AP. So this type of question they might ask you. Okay, so the next question: if the n term of an arithmetic progression an is equal to 3n minus 2, then its ninth term. So you have already understood that ninth term we have to find out. Means substitution of 9 in the place of n. This question is taken from September 2020. This is of 1 mark question. First you write down the nth term. an is equal to 3n minus 2. Substitute 9 in the place of n. So an is equal to 3 into 9 minus 2. On simplification, 3 9s is 27. 27 minus 2 is 25. So the ninth term of the AP is 25. Like this you can solve any of the questions you arise in the exam. Okay, the next question. The 10th term of an AP 5 9 13 etc. is. Here we have to find out the 10th term. For that you first write down the AP. So before that, this question is taken from the board model question paper 1. This is also of 1 mark. So write down the AP 5 9 13. From this AP you can decide that the first term is A, that is A is equal to 5, and the common difference between these second term and first term is 4, that is A2 minus A1 is equal to 9 minus 5, that's equal to 4, and n, the 10th term, so n is equal to 10. So look here students, n is equal to 10, a is equal to 5, d is equal to a2 minus a1 is equal to 9 minus 5, that's equal to 4. We have to find out a10. For this you have to take this formula, the nth term of the AP, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute the above values in this equation, we get a10 is equal to 5 plus 10 minus 1 into 4. On simplification, 5 plus 10 minus 1 is 9. So 9 into 4 is 36 plus 5. So 5 plus 36 is 41. This question can be asked for 2 marks also. When they ask it for 2 marks, solve like this. Otherwise, we can solve this type also. Or an is equal to a plus 90. So substitute the value of a and d in this equation. So we get 5 plus 9 into 4, that is 36 plus 5. So a10 is equal to 41. So for the 1 marks you can directly find out in this method also. So the next question. If the nth term of an arithmetic progression is 4n square minus 1, then the 8th term is, find the 8th term. This question is taken from the board model 2. It's of 1 mark. First write down the nth term. an is equal to 4n square minus 1. What should we find out? The 8th term. So substitute 8 in place of n. So we get a8 is equal to 4 into 8 square, that is n square here they have given. So you have to write 8 square minus 1. On simplification, 8 8s are 64, 64 4s are 256. So 256 minus 1, we get 255, and the 8th term of the AP is 255. Thank you, students.